Yeah, I think I'm going to include some of these rats in there. Their mom might be mad, but oh well, she'll get over it. I'm just doing a little short vlog, you guys, on this Halloween treat box theme. So I'm here at one of my favorite spots, checking out some of their Halloween items that they have. Looking to see what I can put in these treat boxes. So you guys stay tuned and we'll see what they have. Okay guys, so here's their selection. I see some masks. Not sure if I'm gonna include some of those. I see some makeup. Pretty sure my nephews don't want any of that. Let's see here. Window clings. Let's see, what are these door covers? No. Now these would be nice. I think I'm gonna grab 2 pairs of these. And I like these little cups. I think I'm gonna put some of these in there, those boxes. What else do I see? Yeah, I think I'm gonna include some of these rats in there. Their mom might be mad, but oh well, she'll get over it. What else do I see here? Oh, I see some little treat bags. These are cute. I think there's another kind back here. Okay. This kind. And some haunted house ones. Okay, so I'm gonna grab these. What else? And they're kind of older too, so I don't want to get too much baby Halloween stuff. Oh, these spiders. Window walker. Not sure. Skeleton tongs. I never seen these before, you guys. So you guys, I think I'm going to include some of these glow sticks. Here's one. Halloween glow sticks. In there, so I'm going to grab a couple bags. And what else do I see here? I think I'm gonna include some of these window walker spiders also. But that seems to be it, you guys. And you guys, I know this video is supposed to be strictly about Halloween, but look at these. These are so cute. And Amaya likes finger painting. So I'm gonna grab all characters. But I never seen the Sesame Street finger paint before. So like I said, that was just a short little vlog on me going out shopping for some items to go in these boxes. So you guys catch me on the next shopping trip. Hi you guys. So I made it back home from my shopping venture for the Halloween treat boxes me and Amaya are doing. I'm going to show you guys the items that I bought. So you guys, these are some of the items that I bought for the treat box that I'm doing through the mail. I bought these Halloween glasses. This one says trick or treat. This one says boo. I bought these little spider goblins. These are neat. I know I'm going to put them in the box, but I might put something in them. I don't know yet. I haven't figured out. I bought some treat bags. These have the little haunted houses on them. Bought some with candy corn and pumpkins on there. And this one has pumpkins. Oh, it has stars too on there. So I'll probably, put some candy or whatever in there. If I make a treat and send it with it, I might use these bags. I bought some glow sticks, some Halloween glow sticks, because I don't know if they're going trick-or-treating or what. But I bought some glow sticks. I did buy these window walker spiders. I thought these were cool. It says crawl on glass or glossy painted walls. Okay. So I'm guessing is this battery operated? I don't know. But I bought this one. And I bought this one. And all these items were $1. Oh, and I bought these rats, you guys. I'm hoping my sister doesn't see this video, so when I send the box and she opens it up with them, watch, she will freak out, you guys. But if she sees this video ahead of time, hey, all I can say is prepare yourself. She does not like rats. But I thought these would be neat to put in there. But also, let me push this stuff to the side. While I was in the store, I did find these, and oh my goodness. This Glade spray, it's called Cozy Autumn Cuddle. Oh my goodness, I sprayed some in the store and it smells so good, you guys. So if you see this Glade spray right here, grab it. It smells wonderful. And I also found these washable finger paints, and I got these for Amaya because she likes painting. And it's washable, you guys. But I thought these were cute because they're Sesame Street theme. I have never seen the Sesame Street finger paint. It, they might have had it around for a while, but I haven't seen it. So I'm pretty sure me and Amaya will be doing a video on finger painting. So these are the items that I bought, you guys. And I will catch you guys on the next Halloween treat box shopping trip. I will definitely have Amaya with me to pick out some items for her cousins. So, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will party with you guys next time. Bye. Wait a minute. You said what? I don't care what they say. Don't leave off my page without subscribing to my channel.